I'm not the one who gets a broken heart. No, I don't really need anyone. You know I got it, got myself together. And I don't believe in changing what ain't broke. I'm not a victim to anyone, but somehow you